Welcome everyone, here is how you restart your iPhone. So if your iPhone does not have a home button, or even if it does, the process is the same. You're going to press and hold the power button and the volume down key together. Press and hold, press and hold, press and hold. And you should see here, the slide to power off. Once you see that, release your fingers from the buttons. From here, you just slide this toggle and that will power off the iPhone. In order for the full restart to be finished, you just want to press and hold the power button only until you see the Apple logo, and that's a restart. If you don't have a working power button, volume keys or home button, what you can do is open up the settings app. Then you're going to find general. You're then going to find shutdown and then slide the power off. But how on earth do you turn back on the iPhone without the power button? Well, it's very simple. Wait about 5 seconds, which I've already done, and then just connect your iPhone to a charger. And when you do that, it's going to turn on the iPhone. So we'll give it a couple of seconds here. Any moment now, we should see the Apple logo. So the Apple logo is not showing up, so I'm just going to flip the charging cable around. Maybe that's the issue. And let's see now. Any seconds, we should see the Apple logo, and there you go. You've now done a restart even without the power or home or volume rockers. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.